I feel that I was successful in drug court because through my treatment I was finally able to become honest, which is the critical factor I feel in becoming sober and living a life in recovery.
The first time that I went to the court that I got accepted, you know, the judge was very loving and caring, and probably that's what I was looking for. Somebody that to understand me and to respect me, and he showed me that, and so it was just kind of amazing for that, and it was I mean, and after that, you know, I find out, I mean, he's one of the greatest judges in, you know, and showing me that and caring for me and getting accepted into this program and showing me that I, you know, the things that I was looking for, they're not on the street. You know, that I had them over here on this program, you know, the loving and caring and understanding, you know, and so I got him over here, and I got him at the courthouse, you know, a lot of things, a lot of stuff, and knowing that that I had the love, and a lot of people, they care for me and they love me no matter what I did, you know, and so that made me change myself too, knowing that a lot of people still up there, that they care for you, that they go to meetings and they said, you know, let me love you until you love yourself. That's one of the things that it made me realize that it's a lot of people out there too that is loves us and cares for us, you know, even when we never met. I sponsored it, and so he's one of the greatest guys that I met over here in this program too. Well, he's graduate too, and giving me a hug. That's one of the things, you know, showing the love to you and giving you a hug from a strange person that you met, but you met and you never met, or you know what I mean? Because we all think most of us, we think the same way. We did a lot of bad stuff. So he didn't judge me, and he didn't ask me how I was or what I was going through or the stuff, but he just gave me a hug and showed me that he cared for me and that he loved me no matter what, you know, and so that's what it showed me, you know, it told me that I can do something to myself too, for myself.
Fortunately, they have group support and they get help on how to reach out. They have a great staff here at Drug Court to help with that process of the healing and the beginning stages of recovery.
I think Drug Court is one of the most interesting things that I've ever done in my life, and certainly the most rewarding. It's really wonderful to be able to see people start out, usually when they come into Drug Court, they're pretty much at rock bottom, and they really aren't feeling they're going to have any success. But to see them finally realize that they can have success, and then ultimately become the person that, quite frankly, they always wanted to be, and have the successes that we take for granted. It's a very rewarding program.
We have many reports, even as early as 1 and 2 months into the program, of feeling better than they have felt for many, many, many years. And oftentimes, even within the first few months, they start to reconnect with family members. There's a sense of pride that they start to feel for the first time. Then when they begin to heal and they come into recovery, what happens is not only do they start to feel better, but they start to get the tools where they can handle thoughts and memories and emotions and feelings. And that is very empowering, very, very empowering. They start to reconnect with family. Family is so forgiving. Family is so resilient. Specifics, it just describes so many of the people that come here. I think it would fit almost everybody. And then as they grow and evolve in the program, the reconnecting is healing. The groups, therapeutic groups are healing. Reconnecting with people in home groups and AA and NA healing, all of that begins to come together in the last couple phases.
The benefits of being a participant in the Ada County Drug Court program are far too many to list. First off, it gave me a chance to live a life that I didn't think I deserved, and drug court showed me that I did deserve to have good things in my life, good people in my life. Through the recovery program that I work, I also get to work with other addicts and alcoholics and get a chance to be of service to them, and I've learned to be of service to my fellow man.
I lost a lot of stuff when I got I learned that I gotta live just one day at a time, that I gotta live just today. And what I got out of it, I got a lot of, how did I say that? A lot of material things. I got a house, I got a car, I got everything, but that doesn't mean nothing to me right now. What it means to me? The most important thing is that I have God on my life, and that I have today, and I got a better life today. And that's one of the things that I got out of this, and that I'm grateful for, that I have today, and I don't have to use, and the other thing that I got is just that I have choices, I'm grateful for this program, I'm grateful that that I had the people around me, the stuff, all the stuff from the drug court program, that they believe in me. They believe in me when I didn't believe in myself, that they trust me when I didn't even trust myself, that they care for me when I didn't even care for myself. It's a lot of stuff that you gotta be grateful, and I'm grateful for today.